Hey everyone, the Wolkey X3 Max electric bike combines features that appeal to off-road adventurers, speed lovers, and those who value a comfortable ride to provide an exciting all-terrain riding experience. With its twin-motor system, complete suspension, and big tires, this bike stands out and can be used in a variety of riding circumstances. Power for all-wheel drive. The X3 Max is equipped with two hub motors, each rated at 1000 watts continuous with a 1600 watt maximum. This gives the bike a 3.2 kilowatt peak power overall, which enables it to attain speeds of about 32 to 34 miles per hour. The bike is great for overlanding and riding in difficult conditions like soft sand or snow, where single-wheel drive motorcycles would struggle, thanks to its strong setup. Complete suspension. The bike has a simple 4-bar suspension system that enhances ride comfort by efficiently absorbing bumps and shocks. While it may not be as good as high-end suspension systems like Fox or RockShox, it nevertheless accomplishes the job of keeping the saddle from being uncomfortable on extended rides. Thick tires. The X3 Max provides exceptional traction and stability on a variety of conditions, including urban roads and rough trails, thanks to its thick tires. The bike can navigate a variety of terrains more easily thanks to these tires. Battery and range. A sizable 48-volt 20-amp detachable battery with 960 watt-hours of energy powers the bike. This battery capacity provides a respectable range of about 20 miles in throttle-only mode, and up to 30 miles with pedal assistance, despite the strong motors. But cycling quickly can drastically cut down on range. Build and weight. The X3 Max is a heavy 87 pounds when all of its features are included. Despite being a folding bike, the folding mechanism simply makes it lighter to carry. It does not make it more compact for storage. Although the bike's sturdy construction guarantees longevity, handling and transportation may present difficulties. Headlights, tail lights, a rear rack, quad-piston hydraulic disc brakes with 230mm rotors, and a color LCD screen are just a few of the useful features of the X3 Max. In addition to showing the current drive mode, the screen provides important riding information. The Wolkey X3 Max is reasonably priced at $1,669, especially when you take into account its two motors, big battery, and complete suspension. The bike may have some basic parts, but generally, it's a great deal for anyone searching for a strong and adaptable e-bike. The Wolkey X3 Max is an exceptional adventure e-bike that is intended for individuals who value mobility and enjoyment. Its strong engines, large tires, and all-wheel drive make it perfect for riding over a variety of terrains that would be difficult for other bikes. Even on difficult trails, the complete suspension offers a comfortable ride while not being very advanced. For those looking for an affordable, powerful, and adaptable e-bike, the Wolkey X3 Max is a good option. While it might not be the greatest choice for daily use or commuting, it performs admirably on exciting off-road excursions. When compared to more costly all-wheel drive e-bikes, its $1,699 price point makes it a desirable choice, providing great value for individuals who want to venture off the usual road. I want to thank everyone for watching. We hope you found our review of the Wolkey X3 Max to be enjoyable. If yes, would you kindly thumbs up this video and remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos about electric vehicles. Until then, we hope to see you here. Have a nice day and God bless you.